To get started, we're going to visit the doc at doc.limacharlie.io. And from the search bar at the top, we're going to look for output modules. You'll see the output modules documentation shows a bunch of configuration for the wide variety of areas you can send your data from LimaCharlie. But for this example, we're only going to be looking at Slack. You'll notice it's broken up into two sections. In the top part, we have the Slack API token and the Slack channel variable that we're going to need when we go configure our output inside of LimaCharlie. But before we can go do that, we have to do some provisioning on Slack. So we're going to open api.slack.com/apps. And from this screen, we're going to click Create an App. We're going to choose from scratch, give our app a name, and then choose the workspace we want to authorize it for. Click Create App. Voila. So from inside of our app, we're going to look at the left-hand menu and click OAuth and Permissions. We're going to find Scopes, and we're going to add authorization for a bot token scope. We're going to find chat:\right, select that. And then we're going to go back to the left-hand menu, click Install App, and install this application with the permissions to write to our Slack channel. Gonna allow. Then we're going to copy this auth token to our clipboard and go over to our Slack instance. From the channel we want the bot to write to, we're going to go /invite @ and then choose the bot. We've now invited and added that bot to the channel, and we're going to pop over to the web app application where we're going to configure outputs. Once we're inside the web app, we're going to select the organization we want to send detections from. Under Develop in the left-hand menu, we're going to click on Outputs. And then from the Outputs view, we're going to click the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new output. We're going to give a name. And we're going to choose the module, Slack in this case. And then we're going to select detections from the next drop-down to make sure we're only receiving detections from this module. Down below, we see a whole bunch of different configuration options that let you limit or refine the type of data that's coming out of here. But for this example, we're not going to do any of that. We're going to paste in the API token we got from Slack, and then we're going to enter the channel name of our Slack. And then click Create. And there you have it. Detections from this organization will now be sent to that Slack channel.